Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am going to revision of chapter integer. So, student, what are integer? All positive number with negative number included 0 are called integer. Positive number and negative numbers are those numbers in which we have to take positive and negative sign with the same number, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. In other words, all whole numbers and negative numbers are called integer. All whole numbers and negative numbers are called integers. We can represent on number 9 also. After this, the next part, the addition of integer. So student, the rules of addition of integers: when we add two or more integer and the integers are positive, the sum of two positive integers is always positive. This is the rule number 1. Sum of two positive integers is always positive, while sum of two negative integers is always negative, but they will be added. If two integers are same sign, they will add with their sign. But in other cases, either one positive and other negative integer is seen, then there will be subtraction. If one positive and other negative integer and they will be added, there will be subtraction and put sign of greater number. Here is plus 4 and minus 2, sign of greater number, that is 4, and 2 is subtracted from 4. All these are example of one positive and other negative integer. You can check the sign of greater number and there will be subtraction in place of addition. Now rules of subtraction: if we subtract two positive integers, you can solve an open bracket. This is plus 8 and plus minus 2, and here the rule of addition: one positive and one negative number, there will be subtraction, put sign of greater number. 2 is subtracted from 8, that is 6. So student, this is the rule of subtraction of integer. Another example, minus 5 and minus 3. Minus 5, here we note down the additive inverse of minus 3, that is plus 3. Now check the rule. Here is one negative and another positive number, so we put sign of greater number, that is minus 5, and subtract 3 from 5, that is 2. These are such rules of subtraction of integer. Now I am going to introduce the laws of addition and subtraction. So student, the law of addition and subtraction. First law: if we add or subtract two integers, a and b, two integer, if we add or subtract two integers, the result is also an integer. This is closure property. Closure property is that if we add two or more integers, the result will also an integer. For example, plus 2 and minus 3, plus 2 and minus 3 result is minus 1. Minus 1 is also an integer. Second law of integer. If we add two integer or add the same integer with the change their order, the result will same. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. This is also 5 in both sides. This is called commutative law. This will be introduced only two integers. If we add two integers or add with change their orders, the result will same. This is called commutative law. But in subtraction, this law will not used. For example, 2 minus 3 is not equal to 3 minus 2. Look here, the result is minus 1 and here the result is plus 1. So both sides are not equal. So commutative law will not used in subtraction. The next law is associative law. In this law, we introduce three integer. For example, 2, 3 and 4. If we add last two integer and the sum will add in the first integer, the result will be same if we add first two integer and the result will add in last integer. Look here, 2 plus 7 and 5 plus 4. The result will 9 in both cases. So associative law will used for three integers. So student, the next rule, additive identity. There is a confusion between the word additive identity and additive inverse. So additive identity of integer is always 0, while additive inverse is the opposite sign of the given number. For example, additive inverse of minus 2, additive inverse of minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Here the sign will be changed. Additive inverse of negative integer is always same the integer with their opposite sign. Now student, the next rule is product of two or more integer. If we product one positive and one negative integer, first to check sign plus minus minus and product of the number 3 2 just 6. Look here, when the opposite sign is seen in product, we put sign of negative. In other case, if we product two integer with same sign, the result will positive. Minus 7 into minus 2, then minus minus become plus 14. So opposite positive and product of positive and negative integer is always negative, and product of two positive or two negative integers is always positive. So at last student, the difference between the multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative identity of integer is always 1, while the multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the given number. For example, multiplicative inverse of 7 is equal to 1 upon 7. Multiplicative inverse of 7 is equal to 1 upon 7. And multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 2 or 2.5, 2 whole 1 by 2. So student, I hope all of you will understand the revision video. And if you have any query, we have a revision session or doubtful session of doubts of lesson number 1, 3 and 4 on Friday. Let's we discuss in let me discuss the problem faced by you in revision in live classes. Thank you.